Hello, I'm Duncan Wyatt, a livestock analyst here at AHDB. Up until the end of April, 3.8 million clean pigs have been slaughtered in the UK, steady on year earlier levels. Carcasses have been heavier due to the persistent backlog of pigs on farms, although weights are now falling. Both the rate of slaughter and now those falling weights indicate that progress is being made on the backlog at a national level. However, it appears patchy, as there is plenty of anecdotal evidence that some farms still have high numbers overdue for movement. Overall, production in the first 4 months of 2022 was 363,500 tonnes, 5% more than during the same period a year ago. We only have trade data for Q1, but trade in pig meat has increased compared to last year, as you'd expect. Export volumes totaled 62,000 tonnes, 15% higher than Q1 2021, due to fewer shipments in January and February of that year as a result of the UK's exit from the EU at that time. However, in March of this year, the UK exported much less pig meat to China than in 2021. China has been rebuilding its own pig herd following the ASF outbreak, reducing its need for imported product. UK imports of pig meat totaled 225,000 tonnes in Q1, which is in line with pre-pandemic and pre-Brexit levels. Although import volumes are similar, the makeup of those products has changed. A greater share are now boneless. Having had limited butchery capacity here, it would appear that we're still making use of butchery abroad to produce the cuts we demand. And talking of demand, taking production and trade together, overall it seems fairly positive. Demand will of course continue to move out of the retail market and into food service as the latter continues to reopen. Financially, the situation is not positive at all, with average farm gate prices still some way below the estimated cost of production. A material decline in production is expected in the second half of the year, although at the moment the backlog is still masking the size of the decline in the breeding herd. You can keep up to date on the pork market by heading to our website or sign up to our weekly email, Pork Weekly, to get updates straight to your inbox every Friday. If you have any specific questions, drop us a line at redmeat.mi@ahdb.org.uk. Thank you.